table is created, just a table is created, but I'm not inserting any data, nothing. Just a table is created. After that, on this table, I'm creating view. Okay, na? So view 88 as a select a star from test number 88. So your view also created successfully. There's nothing problem. Now I'm creating materialized view. Create materialized view, view name MV88 as select a star from test number 88. Okay, now how I was created my view on test number 88 table, same as the materialized view also I'm creating now. Okay, now? Right. And now I'm going to execute this, what it was happening, you can see. It was showing error. That means the MyDB 11 AM user is having permissions of only views only. But we don't have a permission of what now? Materialized view permissions are not there. Okay, na? Then what we want to do? We need to take permission or not? Come on. How to take permissions now? Right. How to take permissions now? We are using what now? Grant command we need to use. So from your administrator, we need to use the grant. So first I'm connecting with my admin. And after that, I'm writing some command here. So grant create materialized view. Okay, materialized view to MyDB 11 AM user. To MyDB 11 AM user. So this is grant succeeded. And after that, you can come back, okay, MyDB 11 AM / MyDB 11 AM. Okay, now connected. Let me see, I'm creating materialized view. Now this time what happened? Materialized views are successfully created. Materialized views are successfully created. Okay, now? Right. So carefully observe. As of now, in this MyDB 11 AM user, one table we created, test number 88, without any data. On this test number 88, we created view also we created without any information. On this, we created materialized view, 88 is created. Okay, now? So these are all are created here. That's okay. Now what I want to do, guys, now if I want to insert into, okay, so some data, test number 88, I'm sending some data into test number 88, 101, and I'm sending here ln. So now carefully observe. When I'm inserting this data into main table, okay, I inserted this data into main table, then main table you can come out and call data showing us. But whatever the data we inserted into main table, that was immediately reflected into view. That is immediately reflected into view. Can you tell me why, sir, it is immediately reflected? What is the reason? Come on, guys. Yes, it is a virtual table. Why? Because it is a virtual table. That's why on your physical object, whatever you perform, okay, na, perform, the data immediately reflected into virtuals. Okay, now, but whereas come to materialized view, if I call, it doesn't show any data. See, my materialized view is also I'm creating with the based on base table only. Yes or no? But data inserted into base table, the base table data immediately reflected into view. Because of reason is what now? View is a virtual dependency. But can you see your materialized views are not showing your data? Got it my point now? Materialized views are not showing the data because it is an independent object. It doesn't depend on base table. If it is also depend on base table means then what happened? Immediately affected. Whatever you did, that was immediately showing into materialized view also. But your materialized views are not showing any information here. Okay. The reason is what, sir? Means the materialized view is not a dependency object. It is a independent object, first thing. Okay, na? And now, okay, sir, it is an independent object. That's why we can't immediately see our data. Then, sir, how I can see the data of materialized view? Means that there are some refresh methods are there. There are some refresh methods are there. Okay, what is that refresh methods? So I'm giving example here. So table created, view created, and okay. So when we inserted the data showing in my base table, okay, and view table showing, but materialized views are not showing here. Okay. So then how I can see the data into materialized view means, see, if you want to see that information under materialized view, then we have one refresh method is there. What is the refresh methods here? Okay, so here I'm writing. To view data in materialized view, shortcut I'm writing MView, okay, materialized view. Then we follow the following two refresh or refreshing methods. Refreshing methods are first method is called as here on demand method. On demand method is the one method. Second one is called as here on commit method. On commit method. So on demand, okay, how it was means, it is called a default method, and the syntax of this method here, okay, the syntax is what now? Okay, execute dbms underscore mview dot here my method name is what now? Refresh of a materialized view name should be given. So guys, here sir, here execute what it is. dbms underscore mview is what it is, and refresh. Okay, now execute is a command. Okay, you're careful observe. Execute is a command. It is a one of the command of a PLSQL. Okay, PLSQL we will start it after 1 week. We enter into PLSQL. Okay, now right. So now this is, and here dbms underscore mview is what, sir? It is called a predefined stored procedure. It's a predefined stored procedure. So stored procedure is also one of the concept of a PLSQL language. Okay, it is one of the concept of a PLSQL language. What is procedures, how to create advantages, that all we discuss in the PLSQL language. Okay, and here refresh. Okay, refresh is called as what now? Method name. Method name. So these are, okay, what is what? You just remember. And now this syntax I have to use when I need to refresh my materialized view. Okay, I'm going to refresh my materialized view. So let me come out and see. So still the data is not showing. Now I'm writing execute dbms underscore mu dot refresh, okay, of so materialized view 88 I'm writing. So now you can see when you executing this command to refreshing purpose. So here what happened? PLSQL procedure successfully completed. So that means this complete statement is belongs to which one? Is it SQL or PLSQL? This command. Come on. Okay, na? Right. It's a PLSQL command. So I'm using this PLSQL command, okay, to execute it. Now, after refreshing my materialized view, then you can call. Select a star from MV88, you can see. Now data showing up. Come on, guys. The data showing or not? Yes. So this is what we called as a. So when you want to go for to view your information of materialized view, you should go to refresh your materialized view, because materialized view is a independent object. It's not immediately affected. Whatever you did on base table, that information is not immediately affected because it is not a dependency object. It is an independent object. Okay, now that's what. That's why what we want to do every time. Okay, every operation. For example, insert I did. Next to see, suppose I'm going to performing one more insert command here. Okay, let me go. 1 or 2. Then I will take Adams. Okay. So here also I'm inserting test number 88. I'm inserting. Yes or no? Now what it was happen? When you called your test number 88 table, data showing. And when I call my view, okay, view 88, then it is showing. But when I call MV88, data showing or not showing? Come on, guys. Now, latest data showing or not? Yes, it is not showing. It is not showing. It is not showing means what again we want to do? Refresh. What again we want to do? Refresh. Okay, na? So because why? Why means it is an independent object. The reason is what? It is an independent object. I'm not depend on you. Whatever you said, I have to follow. Yes or no? It's an independent object. That's why this nature is independent nature. By that reason, immediately data will not affected. Okay, so then we need to do some refresh. That means we need to separate method we can apply on this independent object. Then I can see the data. Okay, so again, I'm using same as what is that? Execute, refresh, okay. Then again, PLSQL refreshing your materialized view. After that, you can call. Okay, then see data visible. So that means what you understand, every operation, whatever you perform on the table, for each and every operation after, you must and should be refresh. Then only your materialized views are showing your data. Otherwise, it never. Okay, and now. So why one thing I will say you carefully observe. Select a star from, if I'm using tab list, carefully see view 88, what it was showing as. Come on, this object is what? View object. Test 88, what it was showing as? Test 88, what it was showing as? It's a table. See, it is a table, it is a view. And same as MView 88, you can see, very interesting point here. MV 88 is what it was showing. Come on. It is a table. It's not a view. It's not a view. It can depend. It is a separate table. Backup table, we called. Got it my point? So this is a table. Okay. Okay. This is MView 88 is a table, not a view. Okay. Test 88 is a table. View 88 is a view. Then what happened? You can see. Suppose in case if I drop table test number 88 perg. So carefully observe. I'm deleting permanently. I'm deleting table. Yes or no? Permanently deleting table. Yes or no? Okay, na? So now what happened? Permanently deleted. Let you delete permanently. What happened? You can see. Table dropped. Okay, na? Right. Table is drop. Table is drop. But let me come out and see your tab list. So view 88 is there. Okay, na? And also MV 88 is also there. But can you find out test number 88? Can you find out test number 88? No. So that means table permanently drop. Now you can see what it was happened. If I just call it my view, select a star from view 88, can I access this view or not? No, we cannot access. Why, sir, we cannot access? Because it is a dependent object and there is no base table. Physical object is not there. That's why when physical object is not there, automatically virtual objects will never work. Okay, na? It never work. See, it was showing error. Okay, na? Now it was showing error. But the same as when I call select MView 88 if I call. MView 88 if I call. Tell me, data is showing or not showing? Come on.